Hello guys, what is going on? Brandon here, and today guys I think I'm giving you episode 2 of my series 2. It's a bit of frame rate lag there, but I'll just sort itself out. It's still a bit bad, but I think we were doing the path last time. So this episode I think I'm starting on the Blacksmith. For starters, I don't have any cobblestone, so it will be back to the cobblestone generator. Just like this. May as well just sit here. If you didn't already know what my ideas and plans were, then basically they were to just over there build like a blacksmith, a shop, a library, coffee shop, etc. You know what I mean? It's like little stuff like that. So I'm building a little town in the sky. I don't know why, but it's just fun. I think I've actually just got an idea that sparked into my head there. It's actually a really good idea. So when I do gain up some cobblestone, I think I will know what I'll be doing. I've got that because ideas just popped in my head there when I was thinking. Nothing in there of my use. There'll be nothing in there. And it was to, if I go on stone cutter, and to just basically make some cobblestone stairs out of that. 12. So I'll just start here and put one there and one there. I'm gonna do it about 4 long. Like, stay with you. So I will need quite a bit of cobblestone. This might take a bit of time behind the camera. But yeah guys, Survival Island is back, so I'm currently running on 3 series, which is this Skyblock, Survival Island and my Let's Play. They're the 3 the 3 series I'll be doing. Don't think I'll be doing a creative series for a while. And Sheldon also did scrap his Black Ops 2 hijacked, sadly, for a bit, because he says he's not really playing Black Ops 2 on his PlayStation that much, and he's more on Minecraft, so he won't be doing that series for quite a while. So yeah, I really do recommend him to do a Survival Island as well, like a hardcore Survival Island, because I do think it is a really good idea, personally. But yeah, I don't know, I really do think it's a good idea. So I just endlessly keep getting cobblestone. I'm on to 47. I think I might as well stop there, then gradually keep doing some progress. I think I might just do like that, like, wasn't my intentions, but may as well start like that. I'm just going to use the stairs I've got. I don't want to make any more just for this like house, but like that. And more player steps. I think that'll be about right. So if I get the cobblestone to actually go there for us, and like that, and get the 4 stone stairs, and there we go. So that is looking decent enough. So I think I might have wood floor in this. I don't know, for some reason, I don't know. In fact, I might make some coal. Just gonna do that, make some charcoal, because obviously I cannot make other coal because I can't go mining. I'm gonna have a stone brick floor because I'm feeling special, so I will need to put this in the furnace, so making another furnace is probably logical. I'm just gonna, for now, just put the furnace on top of that one. Maybe. I'll just put it behind it like that. shove all of this in, and I should shove the sticks in, just whatever I've got. But anyways, if I continue with the stone process, yeah, I think this series will come on for quite well. Because obviously this is series 2 of my Skyblock. The series 1's finished now. I think that was about 16 episodes long. Well, seems I'm on the computer, I may as well check when my last proper episode was. Well, it was quite a long time ago. Oh, it was quite a long time ago. Sorry for not talking there, I'm just like scrolling down here. Ooh, obviously ages ago. I know these pickaxes just ran out there, but yeah, it was about a month and oh, what I'm talking about. You're talking about a month and a half ago when my last proper series was. But that one has finished already. But anyways, I am making some coal, so that's alright. What happened there? Just get another 2 pickaxes and put them in the hotbar. You shut these doors as well. But I think this building is looking really big now. Well, quite big anyways. Because if you look at the side, it's giant. So I don't think I will be really doing much more on that apart from the side bit there. I think that's pretty much complete. I don't really need to do much on that. But obviously the little row houses that I'll be doing up there may take some time. Rather than like the normal things, that might take some time. Yeah. Nothing really much I can talk about while I'm doing cobblestone. So, if I'm doing stone bricks, then went in the wrong thing there. 19 cobblestone. I'm just gonna stack in, and that's 8 I'll need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's 7. 10 and 1. There we go. So I have started on kind of the base around here. Obviously I'll go like each side. It is going to cover this a bit, so I probably will be moving this out sometime. I don't know why that's there either. I just noticed that does not need to be there. Same with that and that and that ad. I think I should just put cobblestone there because it looks odd. And that is wood that I need there. So yeah, I will be needing to move this somewhere. I don't know where, there's not really anyway. I think I might just put them there. I'll just do it now. In fact, I'm just going to get all this stuff in now just to make sure it's secure and safe. Like that, like that. And that's everything out of the chest. So now move that. Collect all this. Because I can't move that furnace yet because it's still like undergoing. Put that there. Put that there. And furnace, stone cutter. Obviously the other furnace will go there. So I'll pop everything back into there that was in there. And that. There we go. I think I'm just gonna have torches like all the way along. Like one there, one there, one there, one there. Then take that one out on the end out. There, so it looks pretty nice. It looks so uneven that going up, but I really don't care. And yeah, also guys, I will be ending this episode off soon because my timer is nearly up and I still haven't got much of that. But anyways, I'm just going to make some stone bricks, whatever you call it, while I'm here. So yeah guys, it has been pretty reasonable. I haven't did too much progress, but I could see I've did decent progress. So yeah, not really much to say now. Other than just start this a bit. So I've only got like another minute. I didn't mean to go there, but you know. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 will do. And again over the side. There's already one there, so 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, bit lag there. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'll pull it along like that. I'll probably finish it off next episode or the episode after. So yeah guys, I'm going to call this an end of this episode. And yeah, we did fairly decent progress. So yeah guys, I'll see you on my future Skyblock episodes.